uncertain of what to make today, I decided on a spicy sloppy joe to use up my frozen stock from my garden, my canned stock, some refrigerator stock, and then maybe some Mongolian beef with ground beef or beef stroganoff. Bye!